Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make private account public on Pinterest. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Pinterest allows users to control the visibility of their accounts by setting them to either private or public. If you initially set your Pinterest account to private and want to make it public, you can follow these steps. And it literally works on iOS and Android. Step 1. Launch the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen to go to your profile. Step 3. Tap on the gear at the top right to open the settings. Step 4. Find the profile visibility option. Step 5. Toggle the private profile visibility. After completing these steps, your Pinterest account will be set to public, and your boards and pins will be visible to everyone on Pinterest. Now keep in mind that if you were previously limiting access to your account, making it public means that your content will be searchable and viewable by anyone on the platform. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.